People across the country are watching this in our state legislature tonight. Texans now one step closer to carrying handguns without needing a permit. The Senate passed the constitutional carry bill yesterday.
And now it moves back to the House. Our Rochelle Turner live in the Katy area tonight with a closer look at this measure and the debate surrounding that legislation. Rochelle?
Dominique, Andy, good evening. Right now in the state of Texas, a person must undergo a background check, and they are required to pass a specific set of exams in order to carry a handgun. This new bill would get rid of all those regulations, and it has people on both sides talking. A constitutional carry bill that would allow Texans to carry a gun without a license is one step closer to becoming law. House Bill 1927 would remove provisions from background checks. Texans would not be required to obtain a license, training, or pass a specific exam in order to carry a handgun.
I'm not really for that. I think it's a dumb idea. It makes you a target. I can still carry pretty much everywhere I go.
I think, it's, your Second Amendment right.
A political science professor at the University of Houston says the bill does not apply to everyone.
For people who have been convicted in the last 5 years of certain misdemeanors, they're not allowed to carry it. People who've been convicted of certain felonies.
13 senators voted against the bill Wednesday night, including Carol Alvarado, who represents District 6. She says it's unnecessary.
59% of Texans that have been polled say that they don't want this. I think it's only going to lead to more gun violence. We've had enough of that already.
Gun rights activist David Ahmad says criminals have always had constitutional carry.
All this would do is level the playing field. It would allow the good guys to be able to carry their guns the same way that the criminals will, no matter what the law says.
The House and the Senate will negotiate their differences before the bill heads to the governor's desk, who has already intended he will sign it into law. Reporting live in Katy tonight, I'm Rochelle Turner, KPRC 2 News.
Rochelle,